Hey there, Rob.
Hey, Andy.
What is this neat little gadget we got going on?
So this is our new Sprinter A-pillar grab handle is what we call this.
Okay. What's the point?
The point is to make it easier to get on the van so you can clean the damn windshield.
Fair enough. Yeah, I mean, I'm a tall guy, and getting up and off that tire is a total pain in the ass.
Yeah, it's
And
awful.
like, I can't tell you how many times I've like, don't roll your ankle. Don't roll your
Yeah.
ankle, right?
Yeah.
Like, get off it and do it smoothly. But I mean, the windshield's a total bug magnet, right?
Yeah.
And people are driving these things all over the place. You're driving it all the time. I mean, I know on a lot of trips, I'll wash the window 4, 5, 6 times, depending
yeah.
on where you're going,
Yeah.
you know, because like, I hate dirty windshields.
Yeah. Well, and it's like that was the initial. It's like, it's not even a big tire really on the van.
Yeah,
So it was kind of, but there's just nowhere to grab.
totally.
So
Right.
like, God, every time, I mean, since we started making van parts, I was just like, every time I climb up to try to like clean the windshield at a gas station,
Yeah.
I always would be like reaching for the same spot, being like, I
Right.
wish there was a handle right here,
Right. Yeah.
like right here.
So we made it.
And so like finally we're just like, let's put a handle there.
Yeah. What's it made out of?
So it's all 1/8 inch aluminum sheet metal.
Cool.
That we cut, form, weld it in house. It's all TIG welded. It's friggin' beautiful part when
Yeah.
it's all powder coated and
Yeah,
done.
totally.
It
Fits great on the van.
fits super nice. It blends in. So I think it's like one of the negatives we have over the years is like we
Yeah.
tend to make our parts disappear.
Totally.
We design them
Yeah.
in a manner that they kind of disappear when they're on the van. They almost look like an OEM part.
Totally.
And this is kind of one of those things where like
Yeah.
it fits so nice,
Yeah, totally.
kind of disappears.
Right. And I mean, that's definitely a look a lot of people go for.
Yeah.
You know, other people want bigger, flashier stuff. I get that. But
Mhm.
like, yeah, and I mean, light mount too.
Yeah, there's real estate there, and we thought, okay, why not kill two birds with one stone here? Let's get another light here, get it away from, because we make our hood line mounts, which are
Mhm.
awesome, and
Yeah.
we kind of invented those for the Sprinter.
Right.
They've been copied. Everybody sells them now.
Right.
You can buy them on Amazon.
Right.
So this was like, well, it'd be cool if it was actually off to the side more and isn't
Yeah.
in your eye line really, because
Totally.
when this is installed, you don't see it at all. It's
Totally.
hidden behind your mirror.
Right. You don't have the wires hanging down.
No,
from the
everything's
hood.
tucked
It's
in,
super clean.
super clean. Yeah, so I was like, okay, well, this is a great spot to put a light.
Well, and I'm a huge fan of putting a light there because it lets you get that like peripheral vision.
Yeah.
You know, we've got a blog post about that on our site where it kind of shows all the different places you have lights. Like,
Yep.
that's actually one of the most useful lights because when
Oh,
you're
yeah.
like pulling into like some unknown area or trying to find a campsite in the
Mhm.
dark, like you don't need to see a mile in front of you with a pair of LP9s. You
Right.
need to see like 10 feet to the side so you
Right.
don't drive past the turnoff
Right.
into the bushes where you're
Yeah, or
gonna
look for a flat spot to park your
Right,
van,
totally.
campsite.
Yep.
Like, where's the river at? I can't see it. I want to be right there.
Right.
And
Well,
you
I
got
mean, you'll
those
know
on.
when you drive into the river.
Yeah, that's true.
So, how hard is this to install?
It's really easy. It's that factory trim panel, plastic panel. It's on there. You just pull it off effectively. It's just held on with plastic clips, and then we're grabbing the upper door hinge bolts. So
Okay.
the bolts that secure the upper hinge for your driver and passenger door.
Yeah.
There's two bolts there. We grab those, so it's super rigid once it's
Right.
installed. It's unbelievably solid.
Yeah, I mean, we've had some big boys here
Yeah.
test it out and it doesn't budge.
No, it doesn't move. And then, we include everything you need to install it. And if you end up like, breaking some of the clips from
Mhm.
the plastic trim, we include
Oh, cool.
sealing clips to replace all
It's very
that.
thoughtful.
So it's all plastic. It breaks. So you
for
take
sure.
it apart,
Yeah.
half the time it breaks. The Sprinter stuff's pretty good. You don't really have a problem with that, but we're working on this version for a Transit. We'll have that out soon.
Mhm.
Those clips tend to just explode when you pull them apart. So just
Cool.
different vehicles.
Yeah, I can attest to that, man. When I was at SEMA, I was parked there for like a week, and every like muscle dude that walked by was just like,
Yeah.
like it's like you give a jack dude a handle, and all he's gonna do is, oh, how strong is this?
Yeah.
And like nobody could break it. The van rocks, the thing doesn't budge.
Yeah,
So
it's a cool part. It's a simple part, but it's super cool, and it's something that you interface with all the time,
For
which
sure.
is nice.
it's overlooked functionality, right?
Yeah.
Like I know I've seen some vans that have like the whole light bar with the
Yeah.
with the covers on them. It's like how on earth are you getting the covers off? Like,
I don't know.
yeah, I don't get that either. So I'm really excited about this part. It's one of the things that to me is like, this is something you get to use every day. Tons of functionality.
Yeah.
Makes your life safer. You
Yeah.
don't have to worry about like breaking an ankle, getting off the van, wiping bugs off of it.
Right.
So
Right.
cool.